So I think I was explaining last time, 2 weeks ago, that the API part was working and that it would be better to log out the person on the admin, Talawa admin, instead of the mobile app. So this is how it looks when the person wants to, when the person is inactive for around half of the session time one that they set. So let's say, for example, that they set it for 15 minutes. Then this pops up at around halfway, so like 7.5 minutes or like 8 minutes around that time. This message pops up so that they need to interact with the page so that they can extend the session. Otherwise, if they are not there, for an additional 7.5 minutes approximately, then they are logged out automatically, and this message explains why they were logged out, and this stays here, until they come back to the computer. And it says, your session has expired due to inactivity. Please log in to continue, and sends you back to the login page. So that was the part of the feature that I was finishing up for the last 2 weeks. And I did a pull request, as you can see. Just making sure it's in line with the code base every time somebody pushes the code, and just fixing any issues that are there, if any. I see some stuff that doesn't, the checks, I don't know, it seems kind of inconsistent sometimes, because the mutations and the queries are there, but it says it's not there for some reason. So I'm still doing some checks on that, but otherwise, that's where I'm right now, just trying to sort out these pull requests so that it can be merged to the code base.
Thanks. Your error message that mentions that the timeout is coming up, is that handled in all the supported languages?
I know, just English as of right now.
Yeah. Please add the support for multiple languages in that, and there should be examples of how to do that elsewhere.
Sure.
Yeah.
I think I did something like that for this
Okay.
notification here, so I guess it shouldn't be too hard to adjust it for the admin. Shouldn't be too hard.
Right. Sidesh has made a suggestion in the chat about how to get around the
Yeah, I think the
schema stuff.
introspection is due to the type issue. You might need to see, even if you add new APIs, you just need to ensure that it is also declared in the .schema of GraphQL, because that is the first thing that it checks.
Oh, the schema in the API itself.
Yes.
Yeah, there should be a schema file, .schema.
Oh,
You just
so
need to
like
mention it as
it actually cross-references it
Yes.
from the
yeah,
also
that might be
probably
missing.
like since it's not in the code base as yet, it can't find it, but it's actually in the API pull request as well.
Right. So when you merge the API pull request, then the admin one should start passing.
Okay,
Yeah,
that
so-
actually makes sense.
So typically we try to do the API merging and then the other one. Okay.
Yeah. So probably that's where. So I shouldn't have anything to worry about then.
Yep. Okay.
But, yeah, so I guess I'll look into that the translation, and I guess I'll just wait until Dominic and Ishama look at my pull request then.
Yes. All right. Thanks a lot, Jordan.
All right, no problem.
Does anybody have any questions, comments? Aman, please go ahead.
So I missed the part where he explained about how to extend the session timeout. If it's all right, can he again explain that?
Oh, all right, sure. So any mouse event, so once you move the mouse, and also any keyboard event as well. So any just interaction that they do with the keyboard or the mouse, it will automatically extend the session.
And that's any motion over that particular
Understood.
tab.
Actually,
That's over the tab, right? And not over the entire computer system.
Yeah, so the particular tab. So
Okay.
once you're on a particular tab and you're moving the mouse and keyboard, then it picks it up and refreshes the session every time.
All right. Thank you.
and does it manages the when let's suppose our access token is expired and our session timer has also expired. So what does happen when in this case?
Oh, then the person will be logged out and everything would just be
Okay,
basically reset. You could say.
if our refresh token is alive, I think it should get logged in again.
If like they come out of the website and then come back in.
Yeah.
If the session is still active, then yeah, no problem. I think there's already like a logged in thing there already, so the session will still keep up. Yeah.
Okay, got it.